Good morning. It is Tuesday, April 21st, and we are going to be looking at argumentative writing versus persuasive writing. Argumentative writing is writing when a writer makes a claim about a topic and then supports it with logic and evidence. Learning how to formulate an effective argument is key to learning critical thinking skills and is an important part of both school and real life writing. For persuasive writing, you also involve making a claim. However, the supporting details are based on opinions, feelings, and emotions instead of facts and evidence. A claim is just a statement the author is trying to prove to be true. All right, so for example, if you have the paragraph, in the past decade, technology has advanced and self-driving cars are looking more likely to be available in the near future. Many large tech companies are working with automobile manufacturers to get self-driving technology into cars for the general population. Autonomous driving technology will result in massive economic benefits. So, what is the topic of the passage? You can think about it for a minute. The topic is that large tech companies are working with automobile manufacturers to get self-driving technology into cars for the general population. Then the claim for this passage would be that autonomous driving technology will result in massive economic benefits. And a good title for the passage would be anything dealing with self-driving cars and economic benefits. Our self-driving cars are the way for the future. Something along those lines would be the good title. So for today, on your Google form, you have one more paragraph where you're going to identify the topic, the claim, and come up with a good title. And then you have four paragraphs where you're going to tell me if they are argumentative or if they are persuasive.